Hey everyone, I'm heading to Canada, Montreal, and I'm going to a wedding. I'm gonna put a few travel rods into my carry-on, and the plan is maybe I can sneak away for a day or two and explore the canals and try and catch something. Let's get into it. So I packed some goodies into my carry-on, a couple of travel rods, little tackle box. Off we went to the airport into Canada. I'm ready to cast one in an urban jungle, Canadian urban jungle. We had one day to sneak away from the wedding, so I grabbed my Tim Hortons and got ready to party. I was looking for something big on the first day. Wasn't having much luck. This was the wedding rehearsal, and the one day I could get away to go fish. I really embarrassed myself.
Fishing in Canada, never fish here. I've been to the river.
Je parle pas anglais.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh,
Pour les enfants.
too big? This small? Good?
Yeah.
Thank you. I really should have learned some French before I came. I'm really regretting it.
They all say the same thing.
Oh man, you just feel stupid.
And I was stupid. First day was over. No fish. I thought we were done. But the whole wedding party was a little tired, so I got a second day. And look at this. I found a fish. Turns out there are a few fish in here. A third fish? Holy cats, it's full of fish. Saw something big move. No dice. But more panfish. Honestly, it was pandemonium. Yet another. There were clearly no shortage of panfish.
A little bit healthier. Oui, monsieur.
We indeed. I'm used to fishing in very scenic nature kind of environments. Getting Stinky in the Montreal canals with cars honking and bikes in my face was neat. I was on the move, casting all over the place. Not the Canada fishing trip that most people think of, but a really good time. Really glad I had my first urban fishing experience. Special thanks to Erica, Kate, Brett, the Jordans, Rochelle, and Tyler.